This super simple chili comes together quickly with ready-to-use minced garlic and easy onion. Let's go. In a pot over medium-high heat, add oil, easy onion, ready-to-use minced garlic, diced bell pepper, and tomato paste. Mix it up and cook down for 3 minutes before adding some lean ground beef or lean turkey, cooking it through. Now add in a can of rinsed and drained pinto beans, black beans, and red kidney beans. Then add diced tomatoes, chili powder, salt, pepper, and cumin. Stir up your ingredients, reduce the heat, and cover the chili, allowing it to simmer for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then it's ready to serve in a bowl with any of your favorite toppings. Now, just enjoy a spoonful of this hearty yet healthy chili made in no time with Spice World.